Hello everyone. In this video, I am doing a question of the chapter linear equations in two variables of class 10th. So question is find the value of k so that the following system of linear equations have no solution. So for no solution, the condition is for no solution a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 and further not equal to C1 upon C2. So this is the condition for no solution. So A1 upon A2 x का coefficient is 3k plus 1 upon A2 is k square plus 1 is equal to B1 upon B2 3 upon k minus 2 and not equal to C1 upon C2, that is constant term minus 2 upon minus 5. अब आप इक्वेट करोगे, दिस इज 3k प्लस 1 अपॉन k स्क्वेयर प्लस 1 विल बी इक्वेटेड टू 3 upon k minus 2 and on the other side 3 upon k minus 2 not equal to minus minus cancel, this is 2 upon 5. Cross multiply 3k plus 1 into k minus 2 is equal to 3 into k square plus 1. So let's solve it. 3k will multiply k minus 2 plus 1 will multiply k minus 2 is equal to 3k square plus 3 ones are 3. Further 3k into k 3k square minus 3k into 2 is 6k plus k minus 2 is equal to 3k square plus 3. 3k square and 3k square will be cancelled out. This is minus 5k. Minus 6k plus k is minus 5k. Minus 2 plus 3 comes to the left side. Minus 3 is equal to 0. So minus 5k minus 5 is equal to 0. So minus 5k will be equal to minus 5 shifts to the right. It becomes plus 5. So k is equal to minus 5 over 5, that is equal to minus 1. Now we can write the answer that for k equal to minus 1 comma 3 upon k minus 2 is not equal to 2 upon 5. Therefore, for the given system of equations, for the given system of equations, there will be no solution. There will be no solution for k equal to minus 1. उसने पूछा था k की कौन सी वैल्यू के लिए गिवन सिस्टम ऑफ लीनियर इक्वेशन विल हैव नो सॉल्यूशन, तो आपने आंसर निकाल लिया कि k की -1 वैल्यू के लिए द गिवन सिस्टम ऑफ लीनियर इक्वेशन विल हैव नो सॉल्यूशन. So this was the solution of this question. Hope you have understood it. Thank you.